This is Sky and Charles. We have a real quick update for you. My phone number's changed. That's the big news. Well, the second big news. The phone number, nope. The phone number is now 949-378-8887. It has changed. My text messages weren't working in the old number. I tried 10 hours to fix it. Now I got to go through this huge headache of a new phone number. But we got bigger news for you. We have some value to share for you. Sky, why don't you tell them? That's right. The interest rates are being cut in September. Wall Street analysts forecast. If you look here, Wall Street analysts now forecast a series of interest rate cuts. A series of interest rates cuts starting in September and continuing into 2025. Can you believe it? So, there are some clients I'm working with. We have a technique and they actually want to get it sold before the interest rates cut. We're actually taking advantage of the high interest rates in the market, and it has to do with competition and the inventory and the housing prices. And our team has so many strategies for so many different markets. So contact me if you want to get it in before September. But after September, that market might explode, which could be good or bad. And there's Sky. Sky, you're too close to the TV. I got to get her, so I'll wrap this up. Again, my new phone number, 949-378-8887. Sorry for the mess behind me. We're still moving. We got a couch coming in tomorrow. And like I said, I don't recommend anything to anyone that I wouldn't do myself. I moved. So that's that. Okay. 949-378-8887. Call me now or in the future, but update my contact to that number. Thank you guys. Bye.